What's good Vietnam? This is me Aditya once again with another reaction video for you all. And guys, today I am gonna be reacting to this video named Eric Im Kong Sai Chung Tai Sai official MV. So it's been a while since I reacted to Vietnamese songs, so kinda excited to go back to the Vietnamese vibe and the V-pop thing. So yeah, the video duration is 6 minutes. So I rather than talking, I should just watch the video. I'm sorry for you that you have to tolerate me. Hi. Samsung Galaxy. That's how they pronounce Samsung. It's kind of very much Korean accent. It's very much like a Asian pop thing. Okay. Oh, he looks fine. He looks fine though. He has a huge fan base, what I can see apparently. Okay. What's wrong? You ain't singing, girl, guy. It's for takiya kalam. This is word in Hindi, we say takiya kalam, which is like a word that you repeatedly say on daily basis. Yes, sing. You're supposed to sing. You're a rock star. A pop star. What's wrong with him? Okay, Rockstar is having some sort of problem or something in personal life. I'll be very honest to you. Exactly, this is how I've seen Asian idols. They are very glamorous. They are having very glamorous lifestyle, but from inside they have a lot of issues that they don't talk about. I can't hear you. Okay. So he just wants to be in peace. No one should talk to him or stuff like that. I think so. Okay. She has a girl as well. Is this about that because he's a star so that he has to talk to a lot of people and manage a lot of stuff so that he can't spend enough time with her girlfriend or anything? Well, apparently I think this is what happened between them. Okay. People can't recognize him, or can they? Even after you are wearing mask, people can recognize you. So you must be such a huge personality or something. That hurts. That hurts. You are dating someone who's a big star by the grace of God, but then that guy is. There is not bonding. There is not that bonding between both of them. This is not good. Your stardom is being a problem for her. And I think that's why he was sad or something. I mean, seriously, guys. And when stars have their privacy and sometimes they misbehave with fans, so we say, oh, he's a very arrogant and stuff. Stardom is dancing on his head, stuff like that. But to be very honest, they meet a lot of people, so they are like filled here till here. They are filled with stardom and popularity and fans. So they want some space, and we should, as a fan, we should give them their space. If I'll ever meet my favorite actor or actress or anything that I really admire, I'm not gonna go there and say hi until I don't feel that they are free or stuff. Oh, okay. Relationship issues, girl. They have chosen a very perfect concept, to be very honest. Because people usually don't talk about such topics, and if it does happen a lot in Bollywood, I would say that it happens a lot and people don't talk about it. but it does happen everywhere in every country. I would say this thing exists. Now what? Another personality who can recognize you. Being a star is such a pain in ass. आज होता मैं या मुझे sorry if I speak my mother tongue, but whenever I feel like from inside I want to say something. See, it's better if you just leave him, because girl, either way it's not gonna work. Oh, now okay. Actual person who really cares about her. I would rather go with him who is giving her this hanky and stuff, because you deserve. Why? It's better not to go with him. Let him be alone. I like the cars they usually travel in. See the place and stuff. Oh my god, this looks very very romantic. This looks very romantic. Dude, you yourself should understand. I'm happy for her because she deserves it. Yo, you deserve this, okay? Literally, you deserve this. For guy and for girl, both, you deserve this. Whatever is happening with you, it is good. Okay. Rather than being in a toxic relation, it's better to just leave that person, isn't it? Is that it? Oh yes, girl. Okay, I have got the entire story of this song. The thing is, this guy wasn't singing, he was disturbed because he could not spend enough time with her girlfriend. So I would say that the best had to happen, and it happened, and I'm very happy for that girl as well as for that guy, because you know what, when relationship doesn't work, it's better to end it out. So yeah, I liked the concept. The stardom comes with a price, so it takes quite a lot actually. So that's why I'd rather stay a common person than working so even hard to achieve success like him. So yeah, I like this video, and if you like this video, then make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment below, and see you soon with another reaction video. Come on guys, what you doing? Make it fast. Okay, see you soon with another reaction video. Bye bye.